a man's not hot. The girl told me take off the...
Assalamu alaikum, lovely people. How are you all doing? Welcome back to our channel. So today I am going to collect a new car and I've decided to film it for you guys. So this is actually a very similar car to what I had previously, and I think some of you guys might have seen it on the channel before as well. It's a Bmw Z4 E85, the first generation. So yeah, just since I sold that car, it's been about a month. Yeah, I came across another opportunity. So I'm just going to take a look, and if everything is okay, then I'm gonna collect it. This is actually not a car that I need for personal use, or anyone in my household needs for their own sort of personal use. This is just something I do on the side. I also do car trade whenever possible, really. Although I've been struggling for time recently, but I know the whole game. So at some point I'll probably post a video just stating just A to Z really what's required if anyone wants to flip cars. And I've had huge amount of success in cars previously. Obviously it doesn't always go according to the plan. Sometimes you end up making a loss as well. But yeah, it's just something I do because I enjoy doing it. I don't treat it as a business at this stage. Maybe at some point in the future I will do. I have some plans, well, kind of, but they just need to be executed. So for now I'm just gonna go head over to my friend's place and pick him up, and then continue on from there. So yeah, here I am with my boy Elton.
Yeah, we're gonna go see the new car.
That's it.
Hopefully soon.
Yeah, that's it.
Come on.
Similar to what we had before.
Yeah, just a next car, just different color.
Yeah.
Hopefully go see it soon.
Yeah.
Now, yeah? Now I can talk in the
world. Commando version.
You can't catch me no lucky on here, bro. You can't catch me no lucky on here.
M1 2.0.
2.0.
So what just happened?
The good driver here, he missed the turn, so we have to go 10 miles back.
Yeah, now
like
just go
carry 20 minutes extra on top of it.
That's it.
I think I should be driving it.
Carried away with that race.
Yeah, and the fuel is like 20 miles left.
Yeah.
I think we're all going to push the car after this.
Yeah.
All of us.
Yeah,
all of them
Nash is ready to push it.
Yo, we're going to push it. I was smoking that shit up. M1
2.0.
2.0.
Yeah.
Big up everybody.
M1 2.0.
M1. See you soon.
Yeah. We've just arrived here. It's called Sterling Cars. That's it.
Yeah, that is nice.
I don't know whether I should go left or... Yeah, this is a big truck. Toyota. Yeah. Nice Golf at the back. GTI. GTD, yeah. Diesel version of that. So let's go and check. A bit of an issue here. It's not really a major issue. Probably a clip has broken from there. No, I don't know if you guys can see that one. Yeah. Bit loose. Overall, yeah, it's just like the other car I had, but different color now. Let's see how it is. I think it was right. So, wheels look to be in good shape as well. Isn't it?
I don't know.
The wheels.
Yeah.
They look decent. Like not too many scuff marks. Tie up. Okay guys, so this is the car. Low mileage. The other one was 61 previously. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, everything sounds to be in good order so far from what I've seen. So we're gonna take it for a test drive now. See how it drives. So we just took it for a test drive. Yeah.
I tell you what, it's one of the nicest Z4s in a long time.
Okay. So there's no issues with it. Do you mind if you film, by the way?
Sorry?
Do you mind if you film? Yeah, just for a channel. Yeah.
No issues
Yeah,
with it
thank you.
whatsoever. I thought
Yeah.
it was a lovely drive.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, it drives fine. The only thing I think he was just swerving towards left, but I think it's just alignment probably.
Personally, I didn't notice that, but I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know, it's weird thing. But
Yeah, okay.
But yeah, no, it's a lovely car.
So you give
I could
go ahead for this.
Yeah, fantastic.
Yeah. Sure.
But yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
And do you have any history with it at all?
If we have any history,
Yeah.
it will be in the documents
Yeah.
in the office
Yeah.
with the service history.
Yeah.
With the spare
Logbook.
V5.
V5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
So
And
you got- you
I
got
want to
one.
take the logbook with me. Is that okay?
If you buy it, yeah.
Yeah. Of course. Yeah. When I
Alright.
buy it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah,
fine.
okay. Thank you.
Alright, no worries.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you. Yeah. So it looks like he was quite positive about the car.
Yeah, he said he liked it.
Yeah.
Something like that. Car is nice.
Huh?
Car is nice.
Nice. Yeah. So. All cleaned up now. In and out. Nice little valet. Complimentary service provided by these guys. Very nice of them. Make sure you check them out. Sterling cars. inside. Nice and shiny. That's the place, Sterling Cars in Reading. Nice range of cars available. A lot of Kions, Q7, 911. They've done a great job with this wash. I think it needed a clean, isn't it? Yeah. I think he agrees. Joker. That's great. Everything is complete. Had the valet done. Payment was authorized. And now we are taking this car back home. Z4 back on the channel, this time in a different color. In blue. Last time Anton lost his, what did you lose? Your earbuds
In the other car.
in the other one. And today he lost his phone. Yeah, so the situation is we came back into Hounslow. We came back in H Town, and everywhere is just like traffic jams, all the entrance, isn't it?
Yeah, crazy, man.
It's like madness everywhere. Even on M4, you saw the A312, the queue for that.
Nah.
That's, obviously we went from services, but did you see the queue for A312?
Yeah, that's why I didn't.
Yeah, even that one, man, is starting from there.
Yeah, even though we use the stuff in the hour.
Yeah.
Even
Look
here
at
is
this.
stuff now, but that was
Noble
not
Green,
really
yeah.
easy,
It's Shell Noble Green, and look at the traffic in
But
lockdown.
that shit, man, that probably.
Yeah, check online.
But that shit is playing like that, yeah.
What happened, Nash? Did you check online?
Yeah, it's about that, but accident like 10.
Heavy accident, yeah?
That was there like 4:30, like 4 o'clock or 4 o'clock. And that's it.
Bad accident. See, this is a local Shell
I made that's when you're on it.
garage
Yeah,
station or petrol station. Yeah, crazy though, man. Like every road is packed.
I know, fuck.
What a situation. Crazy situation to be in. Yeah.
Which side are we gonna go though?
Huh?
Which side are we gonna go? If you take a right down the road here.
Yeah, take a right, man.
I was gonna take the thing for you, right?
We can try that, yeah. That's probably better. Good option.
You know? This is right there, I think.
Yeah.
I said,
I'll see.